Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest growing ways to generate substantial income online. And in my case, it became the pathway to earning $2 million in just 1 year. I began with research. I studied high paying affiliate programs and focused on niches with high demand and low competition. My initial step was creating a blog and leveraging social media to attract traffic. I relied on tools like WordPress for my website, SEMrush and Ahrefs for SEO, ConvertKit for email marketing, and ClickFunnels for landing pages. I focused on niches with lucrative payouts, such as software subscriptions, finance, and health supplements. My traffic strategy included optimizing blog posts, using paid ads, email marketing, and leveraging social media. No, I started with less than $1,000. Most investments were in a website domain, hosting, and initial ad spend. I started with 3 core programs and expanded to 10 as I scaled, focusing on quality. The biggest challenge was gaining consistent traffic early on. I stuck to my content schedule and optimized. My breakthrough came when a blog post went viral, generating thousands of clicks on my affiliate links. Absolutely. The key is consistency and persistence. Start with a niche, create valuable content, and scale gradually. Pick a niche you're passionate about, prioritize quality content, experiment with strategies, and keep learning. Affiliate marketing has the potential to transform your financial future. The journey begins with taking action today.